C programs work with two types of data, constants and variables. The difference is that a constant value is specified directly, such as the value 27 or a string, hello world. Variables, however, have contents that can change, which makes them powerful, but also a little bit more difficult to understand. It helps to think of a variable as a container for some type of data. The C language uses several data types, so a variable must be declared as a specific type, integer, character, and so on. The variable is given a name along with its type. The name must be unique. It cannot be the same name as another variable or a C language keyword, and it must start with a letter. Lowercase variable names are preferred in C. Variables must be declared before they're used, typically at the start of a function, and the variable must be used or the compiler issues a warning. In C, the variable type matches the data it holds. Int variables hold only integer values or whole numbers, positive and negative. Float and double variables hold floating point values, which are really large numbers, very small numbers, or numbers with a fractional part like 2.1. Double values are much more precise than float values. Character variables hold single values, such as the letter X. The C language lacks a string variable type. Instead, it uses an array of single character variables to represent the string, but I don't want to get ahead of myself. Each of the variable types, such as int, float, double, and char, are C language keywords. The basic variable types are also called data types. Additional keywords are used to qualify these types and specify unique variables. Long and short set the size of a value held in an integer variable. Signed and unsigned determine whether the integer variable can represent negative values or not. These are all C language keywords, and they're used to declare specific types of variables. To create a variable, you declare it in a statement. The statement features the variable's data type. The C language keyword char for a character variable is used here. The type is followed by the variable name, ch in this example. Because the declaration is a C language statement, it ends in a semicolon. Declared variables have no value. They're uninitialized. To assign a value, you use the assignment operator, the equal sign. Set the variable on the left side and the value on the right. You can also assign a variable the value of another variable, such as a equals z here, which should really be read as assign to the value of variable a the value of variable z. You can assign a variable as the result of an expression. Variables can also be assigned to the return value from a function. These operations may seem odd to you now, but as you continue to learn C, they make more sense and soon become second nature.